Alright guys, this is Joe again from London Sound Production, back with another tutorial, and this tutorial is going to focus on using equalisation as like an effects tool. Equalisation is more commonly used as a mixing tool, so you'd bring out certain frequencies for noises to sit better in mixes for the overall track more commonly, but with this one I'm going to show you how you can use EQ more like an effects unit, so to add certain characteristics or tone to a particular noise. Now I've got this noise set up at the moment which is running through Maelstrom. I've got two sawtooth waves, 116, 1.4. I've got one of them running through a shaper, and then they're both sort of running through their own filters and through a low pass filter with the cut off the whole way up. So all the frequencies come through, so you're hearing the whole noise. And I've also got two Scream 4 distortion units, each with different parameters selected on the unit. And I've got this equalizer down the bottom here. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is show you what the noise sounds like, which is this. Quite a gritty noise, as you can tell. So the first effect is this parameter boost or cut. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like when we've got the frequencies boosted around about the 2000s hertz mark. Yeah, that's slightly higher, more screechy sounding. Now let's go to the middle, see what this sounds like. Again, slightly different because we've got the mid-range frequencies boosted. Now let's go to around 250 sort of range. Much lower, much dirtier. And you can do the same sort of thing, but with cutting the noise, just to add slightly different tones to the noise you've got going on here. Now let's try again with the middle range frequencies. Slightly more hollow sounding. Now let's go to the bottom again. So that sort of takes away the bassier end of the noise. Now that's one technique. So that's adding tone or taking away tone, you could say, to add like a slightly different characteristic to a noise you've already made. Now the next one I'm going to show you involves some automation. So I've got some automation set up here, and this sort of movement of automation is being applied to the frequency parameter of parameter 1. Now if we go ahead and turn this on, you can see we've got a boost here. So when I hit play on this sequence of notes, the frequency will go up and down, and I'll show you what that sounds like. Cool, that just adds a really interesting sort of effect to the noise. If you've got like a constant stream of those noises, it just adds a little bit more movement, a little bit more character. Now this is just one example of what you can do. You can also automate it in different ways on different parts of the frequency scale. But I mean, you should use it to whatever sort of effect you're going for. So this has been Joe, London Sound Productions. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you've got any comments or feedback, don't hesitate to go ahead with that. And for more tutorials, go to youtube.com/LDN Sound Production. And thanks for watching.